Hello, good day everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I am so glad about it, and I hope you are glad about it too. If it's your first time here, please consider subscribing and scooch on over while you're at it and tap that like button. Okay, the very first thing that you want to do is look at your full spread program, determine what pages you want to have a part of your program, which are probably all, but maybe not. And then you want to click share and then go down to the download button and then download those pages as a PNG file or a JPG file. It does not matter too much except that PNG does share. This is best for complex images and illustrations. So if you have a lot of images, you have some very detailed images, then you can go with a PNG. But either JPG or PNG is totally fine. Once you've selected that and selected download, it's going to download to your device. And you want to unzip the folder and make sure you pull out each individual photo file of your program template. Next, what we're going to do is head over into Canva and create a design. We want to create a simple 8.5 by 11, which is half of the 17 by 11. Upload those images that you just downloaded into Canva. And those are just going to take maybe a few seconds or so. All right, perfect. Now we're going to take this and drag it over. You see that it kind of lands somewhere. You want to make sure that you size this exactly to the 8.5 by 11, so make sure that's in there. If you click on it, you can see in this black box it says 8.6, so we want to make sure that's 8.5, so make sure that fits perfectly. Great. Now what we're going to do is, hold on, let's see here, I see a little bit of white. Okay, now we want to double click, slide this over, and make sure that it crops just that one side. So I'm just going to zoom in, getting very technical here, but I'm going to push that right in so there's no extra anything. Okay, now you see this is the front cover. Now all you have to do now is duplicate this and then do the same for the next page. So the next page would probably, let's see here, the next page that you want would be the words from the pastor. Click out and then duplicate again. The next page will then be the church history page. Double click, slide that over, duplicate again, and then you're going to do this until you get all of the pages set in place and cropped. Essentially, that's all we're doing is cropping the pages so that they're fit to just the 8.5 by 11. And then once we're all done with this, we're going to go ahead and download it as either a PDF file, which is preferred for most print providers, or you can do a JPG or PNG file if your print provider prefers that. So now that we're almost done here, let's go ahead and do one more for the last back page. Got it? Great. Now click share, click download, PDF. If you have Canva Pro, you can select the option for, PDF print. You can select the color profile for CMYK, which is recommended. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, unfortunately, you won't be able to use this feature. But if you don't want to worry about a subscription and you don't want to worry about paying for a plan just to download excellent CMYK level files, you can explore my cordial templates that are in my shop. Anyway, if you do have Canva Pro and you want to try this one, you can, or again, you can try the photo file options, okay? All right, so then yeah, you download and now you have your PDF that is ready for you to print. Oh, you can even print with Canva if you want to try them out and see how they do. But they'll go ahead and you'll go ahead and then print your complete PDF file. See how it came out. Excellent, nice. So there you are, you have a beautiful PDF version of the program. Let God's predestined gift work within you, for that is truly our life's purpose. And never ever forget what is oh so true, that God said your gift will make room for you. Until next time.